Yeah, what's up, guys? How are you there? We have a spare bunkhouse that they can use. It's their experience about Francine.
It was raining a lot, but everybody's safe. So everybody, all good, all good, all good,
All good, man. But we're so thankful that we are safe, you know. Yeah. Thank you very much, man.
Welcome,
And have a great day.
It's not as demanding as what it used to be. Working, I don't think it's something that we should do for a long time at least, and then get back to them and join
All
them.
over the world because I'm gonna upload this one to TikTok.
You know, it could, although you get a lot of nice experience.
Kalma. Saan ka pupunta?
Ingat palagi sa drive.
Wag mo muna. Ito kaya.
Sige. Ayun.
24 amperes. Before 500 folding basket.
Hey!
Ako lang may ganyan yan. May unan dyan, inflatable.
Kompleto mo, may unan plate. Pilipinas, mayroong tinatawag.
Mga tools. Ang
Dahil
tools
sa-
ang gulong. Pakita mo kay Bros Pulsa niya.
Siyempre, Haron Rivera.
Kung nga, may nagsabi sa akin doon, nagbablog yun siya, siya
Sa
hit the
Louisiana.
bond.
So ba? Iba talaga?
Pagka ninakaw, umalis. Shoutout kay Dakila, kay Ronnie. We are, thankful that we are all safe here. Thank you very much for supporting me, and please keep supporting my video.